Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andi in case you're new here. Today I brought you a new jewelry set. We're going to make today the necklace, but I also give you guidance how to make the bracelet version as well and where to find the earrings. If you're done, don't forget to show them to me by tagging me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram. And of course, don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for this project. I'm going to use 3 different colors of yarn. These ones are cotton yarns from Trasferre Fiocco, size 2. Recommended crochet hook size is 2.5-3.5 millimeters. We're going to use a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. In addition, we will need to have a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook as well. Then we will need to have 2 wooden beads. These ones are 8 millimeters each one of them. 2 different sizes of yarn needles and a scissor. We will start by making a slip knot, so have a look. We are going to insert 2 of our fingers here, rotate it and grab the longer yarn. And the slip knot is ready. Insert the crochet hook, tighten, and chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Keep it a little bit larger, you don't need to make it very tight. Okay, now in the second chain, we're going to insert the crochet hook and pull over the yarn. Now we're going to repeat the third one. We're going to make a little loop here. So now we have 3 loops, just like this. You can slightly pull it out so it's slightly bigger. We're going to very carefully pull out the crochet hook, grab the yarn, very lightly. You don't have to pull it, just let it guide you, let it slide easily. And then we're going to insert in the second one, pull it through. Then, in the last one, pull it through. And have a look. We have here a row. Now, pull it out. It's always good if you pull out a little bit because you will not lose the loops. Remove the crochet hook very carefully. Pull through on the first loop. Then on the second one. Finally, on the third. Pull it out, remove, pull it through on the first, on the second, on the third. So have a look, this is how it looks like. I'm going to put on the screen how many rows you need exactly to make the necklace and how many you need to have to make the bracelet. So just pause the video here, have a look, and then I'll see you by the end of the rows. So have a look, I'm done with 125 rows. This is how it looks like. It's quite long, okay? So now we are going to just yarn over and pull over in all the 3 loops. Then chain 1 and leave a very long tail. And then you can cut the yarn. Now we can pull out this excess yarn and secure it. Now we will need to do another one from the same color, and from the other 2 colors of yarn as well you need to do 2, so we need to have 6 in total, 2 from each colors. So we are done with the colors. I did from each one of the colors 2, and now have a look. These are all the excess yarns that we kept here. So from each color we are going to have 1 excess yarn facing to the left and then 1 facing to the right. Okay, so I'm going to put it for you to see. So in here we have the excess yarn on the left, and then on the other side we have on the right for the other, and then we're gonna do the same for the other ones as well. So from this blue, this excess yarn facing to the left, And then the other one, we're going to face it to the other side, just like this. And then this darker one, again, one is facing on the left, and then the other one on the right. Now have a look, I'm going to get them here, and then on the top I'm going to insert the crochet hook here, the other one here. This is the end part, so in here I have to get both ends, okay, just like this. Then this one is the end part, so I'm just gonna insert in the end. This one in 2 points, because this one is not with excess yarn. This is just where we started. Then this one is again where we started, and this one is with the excess yarn, so here on the top we're inserting just like this. And then we are going to grab the excess yarns, but just the excess yarns. You don't need to get these starter yarns, just the excess yarns. Then we have to grab these excess yarns and we want to pull them over. Just like this. This is gonna keep them nicely together. Then pull out slightly. And now we are going to get the 5.5mm crochet hook, insert it, and we are going to chain 14. Grab over, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 14. Now, pulling out slightly, going to grab the wooden bead, add it to the other 2.5mm crochet hook, insert because it fits here. Then I'm going to divide the yarns, so I'm going to pull over 1, then twice the second one, and finally the third one. If you manage to pull them over in one, that's completely fine as well. It's just not my case. Okay, I'm going to add back the 5.5mm crochet hook, tighten, and then going to grab the yarn and pull over. Then I'm going to pull out all the excess yarns. Some of them are longer, some of them are shorter. Actually, I'm going to cut them to a similar length. I'm just going to wrap it around this wooden bead and tie them. Okay, now we're gonna get the yarn needle, going to insert, and just gonna make a couple of stitches here to hide this excess yarn. It's a little bit short, going to manage. Good. And then the excess yarns we can cut. Okay, so this is how it looks like so far. We will also need to get rid of these ones. We will do it with the yarn needle to stitch them away. But first, let me show you what we're going to do. I'm going to use a tape and want to tape it here, so it's going to be easier to make the braids. And now we are going to divide into the colors. Make sure that we have the top facing up, okay, so not this other side, this way, it should face up. Now we're going to get this pink one, pinkish one, and we are going to place it here. I'm going to try to tighten a little bit, okay? Then we're gonna get this blue also in the middle. Also want to tighten a bit. Then we're gonna get this light blue also in the middle. We're always placing them in the middle. And make sure that you have the, make sure that it's not very, very loose, but not very tight either. And now we are going to braid them. We just arrived to the end, so we have to repeat the same exact steps like we did before. Okay. So we need to close this down. I'm going to insert my crochet hook. In the ends. Great. Remove the ones that are the starter yarn, so we don't need that there. We're just gonna yarn over and pull over each 3 of the yarns. Just like this. Now you're going to add the 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and just chain 14. And just chain 14 and repeat the same steps as we did in the other side. Now finally we're just going to stitch these excess yarn, these starter yarns, and get rid of them. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to use a smaller yarn needle. I'm just going to make a couple of stitches. For example, this one was in the pink, so I'm going to make a couple of stitches in this pink one. Not to be visible, also don't interfere with the pattern, so just try to make it in a way that it won't be visible after. Okay, and then we can cut the excess yarn. And we have to do the same to each of these excess yarns also on the other side as well. So our gorgeous necklace is ready, and I hope that you're happy with the result. Whether you were preparing now a necklace or a bracelet, or if you're going to make an earring, please let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram. And don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. For now, take care, and I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. Bye bye.